Hi scientists!
I'm Scientist Maya,
And I'm Scientist Mia.
and we are going to be creating our own colorful flowers today.
So grab your bag, grab your Colorful Flowers Lab, and
let's get started. Scientists, remember that we have included an instructional booklet in your Ethos in a Bag, and in here you can find written instructions and the gig sheet so that you can follow along. Also remember, if we go too fast or if you miss a step, you can pause this video and rewind.
Scientist Maya, a little birdie told me that we have a third scientist who's going to help us today with our lab. Everybody give a big welcome to
Scientist Millie!
In your lab, you will find 2 coffee filters, 1 plastic cup, a black washable marker, a green pipe cleaner, and then you will need to get on your own some water, and you might want to use scissors as well.
To start us off, you're going to want to grab 1 coffee filter and your black marker. Take off the cap of your marker and draw a ring around the coffee filter, and you want to draw it where the lines go into the middle part.
How big should my line be, Scientist Maya?
You want your line to be very thick so that the water is able to reach it and spread out all of the colors.
Our next step is to fold our coffee filter 2 times, but I think Scientist Millie should help us with this one.
Me too. Scientist Millie is folding it in half. It will look something like this, and now we're going to fold it in half again.
You got this, Scientist Millie.
Thank you, Millie. It should look like this when you're done.
Next, you're going to take your water and you're going to pour a little bit into your plastic cup. You don't want a lot of water because you're going to put just the tip of your coffee filter into this water, and if your water is too high, then it's going to hit your black marker, which we do not want.
Now you're going to place your coffee filter into the cup. You want the tip of your coffee filter to touch the cup, and make sure your water is not too high that it's touching the black part. You're going to want to wait about 20 to 30 minutes, and you'll be able to watch your colors spread.
Now that we have waited about 20 to 30 minutes, this is what our coffee filter looked like once the black marker spread. As you can see, we have more of a red, pink, and blue tint in our black marker. So now, Scientist Maya is going to fold the coffee filter 4 times. Once you get to that 4th fold, it might be a little bit tricky, so feel free to ask for help. It should look something like this.
Now we're going to spread our flower out. So you're going to take the petals and kind of fluff them up so it looks like a real flower. And you can see all the pretty colors on the edge.
We would love to see what colors that your flower created, so make sure that you submit some pictures to us in Kajabi.
It should look something like this when you're done fluffing it up.
The last step is to take your green pipe cleaner and you're going to create a stem, and you can do this by wrapping the green pipe cleaner around the very end of your flower. We decided to fold ours in half before we did this so that our stem wasn't super long, but you can create your stem however you would like to.
Scientists, if you notice, we gave you a second coffee filter in your lab bag, so if you want to repeat this experiment, we would love to see it.
We hope you all had so much fun making your colorful flower with us, and I think this flower is
Millie approved! Bye, scientists!
We would like to give a big thank you to the Elkhart County Visitors Bureau for connecting what they actually do in the community to our lab today. If you would like to check out more on their website, you can scan the QR code down below. We would also like to give a huge thank you to all of our sponsors, because without them, Ethos in a Bag wouldn't be possible. And thank you to all of you who decided to do this awesome lab with us today. You are all such amazing scientists, and we hope you had so much fun.